Hello, my name's John Kirby. It's become a tradition here at Dovetail that we make a Christmas present for our clients and associates. It's quite tough coming up with the idea of what to make every year. In the past we've made toast tongs, we've made salad servers, we've made little chopping boards, we've made a strop for sharpening your knives, and last year we made a trivet. You may have seen the video we posted. This year we're making these. No, they're not spoons, they're called Spurtles. It's basically a stick for stirring and mixing ingredients. My grandmother grew up in Scotland. She used to use one of these every day to make her porridge in the morning. I use mine to mix ingredients when I make focaccia. Here are some clips showing how they were made. We used offcuts from an English Elm island countertop that we had going through the workshop at the time. We cut it into strips, planed them square, then cross-cut them into blocks. Here's Gareth sharpening our tipped bandsaw before we cut the blocks lengthways to form two wedge-shaped blanks. These blanks were cut to shape with a much narrower bandsaw blade before sanding them to final shape on our linisher. A table router was used to round over the handles, and the angle on the end was cut on the panel saw. Holes for the leather hanging loop were drilled and countersunk. The sanding was done using a random orbit sander that was hooked up to a vacuum cleaner. We finished the Spurtles with 3 coats of Tung Oil, the first coat being thinned right down with white spirit. It's important to leave the oil to dry for a couple of days between each coat. All that was left to do then was to thread and tie the leather hanging loops before posting them. What do you think we should make next year? Perhaps you could tell me in the comments.